A great legacy is built on a powerful vision. For Rico Industries, that vision came to life in 1975 as a process equipment vertical of Sudarshan Chemical Industries. From grinding to conveying and clean air systems, we built a reputation on innovation and integrity across various industries. In 1992, a new era began for us with the first R&D center in Alandi, Pune, and 3+ global collaborations, leading to further breakthroughs across both core and non-core industrial segments. Delivered India's first lime-based flue gas desulfurization system. Rico Industries' contributions to the national space and defense programs enriched our legacy with pride and purpose. The year 2005 was resonant for us as we shifted our factory operations from Roha to Pune. While growing our technology portfolio in the past decade, we established a state-of-the-art powder lab, expanded our manufacturing operations, and shifted to a new head office, strengthening our expertise and industrial leadership even further. Today, we take pride in delivering Asia's largest spice processing line, India's first spice line, working with globally leading businesses and creating a sustainable future for generations to come. While proudly holding a track record of 10,000+ successful installations globally. That's the echo of Rico, and it inspires everything we do. On this special occasion, let's hear from our leadership.
I am Rajesh Rathi, Chairman and Managing Director of Sudarshan Chemicals Industries. Rico is an important part of One Sudarshan, and we are committed to delivering cutting-edge solutions and creating value for our stakeholders. With integrity as our foundation and passion as our driving force, we stand united to lead Rico into its next era of growth and excellence.
I am Hari Govind, Managing Director of Rico Industries. As we celebrate our Golden Jubilee, I am proud, happy, and at the same time humbled. It's trust of our customers and partners that has driven this journey. Thank you very much. This achievement belongs to you as it does to us.
It's been 50 years of progress, and what truly powered our journey is our people. I'm Shivalika Raje. I'm Head of People Practices at Sudarshan, and I'm also part of Rico Board. I believe every milestone Rico has achieved stands on the dedication of our employees. From a small team with big dreams to a thriving workforce solving engineering problems every day, it's our people who make the difference.
I am Nilkant Nathu, the CFO of Sudarshan Chemicals. At Rico, we believe that the growth goes beyond numbers. It's about continuously evolving, learning from every challenge, and seizing every opportunity to improve. Our journey has been defined by the dedication, innovation, and unity of our people. Together as one team, with one shared vision, we have turned challenges into milestones and aspirations into achievements. And as we move forward, that the same spirit will continue to drive us towards even greater success. Thank you.
50 years of passion, 50 years of partnership, 50 years of progress. One vision, one purpose, one Rico Industries.
Innovation,
expertise,
excellence, engineering,
success,
with technology
and ingenuity.
Your trusted
partner
in environmental and material processing solutions.